1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 5, 6, 7. Start with the basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Give her a crossbody lead. We reverse right. 1, hook 2, switch the hand 3, back charge 5, 6, 7. Now we're going to give her 1.5 right. We're going to step forward and bring the hand straight down, and it's going to go behind the back. 1, and my left hand is already reaching across. So now it's going to start turning her on 2 as I turn to the right. 3, I'm going to go right to right. 5, we're actually going to end up like this, but then we're going to switch the hands, step forward on 6. Now we're going to prep to the side on 7. So now here we're going to go back to back on 1. So we're spinning on the left foot. 1, we're going to send 2 again to the side. So now on 3, we're going to spin again on the left leg, flicking the right hand behind the back. 3, leave the left hand at the ribs. Now catch the left hand. 5, 6, 7. So now we're going to bring her forward on 1. Left hand goes over the head. 2. So now on 3, it goes over my head. 3, 5, it goes over her head. 5, follow, 6, 7, cross body. 1, 2, or sorry, inside turn. 5, 6, 7, cross body. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
5, 6, 7, start with the basic. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, cross body lead. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. We're going to go into 1.5 right on 1, turn 2, 3, 5, 6. On 7, take a step to the left. 7. You're going to do a quick spin to the right on 1. 1, 2, back on 3. Then finish your basic on 5, 6, 7. Now we're going to go forward on 1. 1.5 right again. 2, turn 3, turn 5, 6, 7. Inside turn. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Cross body lead. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7.
What's up guys, it's Scott from Casa Salsa. Thank you guys so much for watching the video. We hope you enjoyed it. Make sure you click the subscribe button right here so you're able to stay updated with all of our videos to come. And also make sure you check out our website in the description below so you can have more access to exclusive content and even take a live class with us. See you there.